The middle of the 19th century provided a turning point in the story of explosives. I've had to come here to the Defence Academy of the UK because we're going to make what they first discovered in 1846. An Italian chemist, Ascanio Sobrero, reacted nitric acid with glycerine. Dr. Alex Contini is one of the few chemists experienced enough to attempt this process.
7 and rising.
Each time the glycerine is added to the concentrated acid, he has to stir it and make sure it stays cool. Every degree of temperature rise makes a premature explosion more likely.
10 and rising.
It looks fairly innocuous, but Sobrero discovered it has some pretty surprising properties. And we're only going to use the tiniest amount to show them. Sobrero wrote that the safest way to demonstrate these properties was to dip a hot wire into a glass bowl of the substance. But he was scarred for life by flying glass, so we are going to try something different. Even slowed down more than 500 times. The explosion is incredibly fast. That's a bit of a kick. Now, the reason why that's so sharp is because you look there, every single molecule of that liquid has disappeared. It's turned almost instantaneously into gas, hence the nice explosion. But something new here is happening. That's not just fast burning, it's something completely different. It's something called detonation.